Hey everyone, this is Sahil Malhotra, Principal Attorney at Rishi Law. Today I want to talk about three post-registration filings that are very important to your brand's continued protection in the United States. These are the Section 8 Declaration of Use, Section 15 Claim of Incontestability, and the Section 9 Renewal Filings. Once registered, trademark protection in the US is valid for 10 years. The United States Patent and Trademark Office levies an additional requirement, a maintenance filing, during the first 10 years of brand owner's registration. This maintenance filing is known as a Section 8 Declaration of Use, which is made between the 5th and 6th anniversary of your registration. The USPTO's interest in requiring new registrants to file a declaration of use is to remove marks not used in commerce, and the burden is placed on the trademark owner to make a timely filing. Failure to file a timely Section 8 Declaration of Use will result in the cancellation of an owner's registration. The requirements to file a Declaration of Use are the required filing fees, a statement by the owner verifying the marks used in commerce in connection with the goods and services in their application, a specimen for each class in the registration, any additional information, if needed, regarding non-use or special circumstances related to the non-use of any mark in any good or service identified in the application. There is excusable and non-excusable non-use, and you can find more information regarding this by clicking the link provided in the description section below. The Section 15 Claim of Incontestability allows the trademark owner to claim incontestability of a mark that has been in continuous use for 5 years since the registration date. It is common practice for a trademark owner to file a Section 8 Declaration of Use and a Section 15 Claim of Incontestability simultaneously. Although, unlike the Section 8 filing, the USPTO does not require an owner to file a claim of incontestability. Additionally, there's no deadline to file a claim of incontestability. The presumptions and rights associated with a registered trademark are incentives enough for a trademark owner to file a claim of incontestability. More often than not, it is conclusive evidence of validity, ownership, and exclusivity. The claim of incontestability must declare continuous use of the mark in connection with the goods and services in the registration. As the name states, there must be no current or imminent adverse action against the mark claiming incontestability. A trademark registration with a successful Section 8 filing is valid for 10 years. At the end of each 10-year period, the USPTO requires a trademark owner to file a renewal application accompanied by a Section 8 declaration. Like the original Section 8 filing, the renewal must identify and verify the continued use as stated in the registration. A brand's development involves doing the small things right. Failure of timely filings can lead to your trademark's cancellation. Maintenance and renewal filings are crucial to expand your brand's authority and visibility. If you have questions regarding a declaration of use, claim of incontestability, renewal filing, please feel free to reach out through the link provided below. As always, this is Sahil Malhotra, and thank you for watching.